These are very interesting times as every day something big happens in artificial intelligence. Now, Meta has released a commercial and free version of its open source artificial intelligence large language model, and it is called as Llama 2. This is a blessing and great news for general users, startups, and businesses because it's a powerful, free of charge alternative to expensive proprietary models sold by OpenAI and Google. The new version of the model, called Llama 2, will be distributed by Microsoft through its Azure Cloud Services and will run on Windows. It will also be made available via direct download, as you can see on your screen, from the Meta's website and through AWS, Hugging Face, and various other providers. Commercial Llama will change the AI landscape altogether as we know it. Now, let me show you a few of the features of this Llama 2 from their website, and I will drop the link to this website in video's description. So this Llama 2 comes in three model sizes: 7 billion, 13 billion, and 70 billion. The model architecture is very similar to what we have with ChatGPT and other OpenAI's large language models, as it has context length of 4096, which is double from the Llama 1, as Llama 1 had 2048 context length, and then this has been pre-trained on 2 trillion tokens. Also, it heavily utilizes reinforced learning from human feedback, and it has over 1 million human preferences, which is awesome. Now, one of the coolest thing is that they have tested this Llama 2, 7 billion and 13 billion on various benchmarks. And these Llama 2 models have outperformed various other models like MPT, Falcon, and even Llama 2 in almost all the use cases and on all the benchmarks. And remember, the higher the value is, the better the benchmark performance is. So as you can see, for instance, that Llama 2 has beaten almost all the models in every benchmark except maybe this human eval. But if you look at Llama 2 13 billion, it has outperformed it as well. And the performance is really evolving for this model, and I am quite hopeful that as they have open source it and it's free and commercial, we'll be seeing lot and lot improvement in it, especially with this RLHF, which is a reinforced learning from the human feedback. Now, one interesting thing is that there are a lot of partners like AWS, NVIDIA, Hugging Face, and the list is growing every day. So again, I believe that this Llama 2 and the subsequent family is going to stay and it is going to change the AI landscape. I will also be doing a local install of this Llama to the next video, so please stay tuned. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.